Sixth prize. It goes to Kusum ma'am. Please come on the stage and receive the certificate and speech. Kusum ma'am, present our friend. Present.
Don't stop clapping. Continue. Now ma'am, you got prize and certificate. So how are you feeling now? So please tell that to all students your feelings. Namaste and very good afternoon to all of you. Today it is a very glorious day for me, and I am very thankful to Mr. Ghulam sir and my teachers and my dear parents. This success I achieved because of my teachers. I am here. Whatever, I'm here because of my teachers and my dear parents. Today I can't express my happiness because when I came to coaching, that time I was unable to speak English and I didn't know how to speak English. But nowadays I'm able to speak English, and this coaching is the best coaching. I would like to thank from bottom of heart Mr. Ghulam sir. He made me capable and he is a very kind-hearted person. I would like to personally thank Mr. Lata sir. He taught me very well and he guided me as a mentor, and he